people! I've got the goods! Is there anything better than this? Who needs a spoon? Hello? Come on, share! But I don't wanna. Rude. Check this. What? So pathetic. I think you mean smart. See what I mean? Wow! What the? Give me some! Hey! It's mine! Hey!
Goodness gracious! Girls! That's enough!
Whoa! Cool!
Hi, girls! You still hungry? Let's get cooking! Challenge time!
Wow!
Aw, so cute! You sure you're ready? This one's a beast!
Looks like you!
No, it's you! Stop laughing! Still misbehaving.
Wow! I got a present!
No, I want one! Silly me. This one. Catch! Okay.
A Labubu!
Yay! What did you get?
It's Stitch! No.
Welcome home! Check it out!
Aren't you just the cutest?
Oh no!
Ah, this thing's out of control! Wait, look at this! A brush! Shall we?
Wow! I know just what to do with mine. Oh yeah! This is gonna be good! But it needs some frosting. Pink, to be exact. It's my Labubu's favorite color. Almost there. Can't forget the top of the cake. It kind of looks like curls, right? So pretty! Labubu gorgeous!
You're done already? No fair!
Oh, cookie crumbs!
I'm onto something!
And that's the way the cookie crumbles!
Plus some blue, baby! Wow, that's smooth! Looking good enough to eat! You didn't think I was gonna leave it like that, did ya? Oh, yeah! Just one more finishing touch. Okay, the white's on! Let's spread this bad boy! Here you go, Stitch! Just like at home! Hang 10, dude! Wow! Look!
Nice! Mom, what do you think? Oh, goodness!
Wow.
These look pretty good! Pink first. Well done! Really? Awesome! Next up, cool blue. Wow, that was delightful! We both win?
Fair enough.
Okay, ladies. Ready for your next challenge?
Me!
My turn!
Yeah, right.
Fine, let's play.
I win! Sorry, not sorry.
Enough playtime. Wow, it's a heart.
That's right.
What about me? I didn't forget about you, honey. Here. Yay! Take that!
Hot! Ugh, careful with that thing! Oops. Oh well, safety first. Gotta protect myself. Phew. This is serious business. Let's do this. Glad I studied in science class, because this is about to get intense. Look! It's working, see? Smells ready. I've done it! I made the stuff! The blue stuff. This'll go perfect with it, too. Let the glitter begin. It's raining sparkles in here. Looks pretty good. Well, wow! Look at this! Just a few more finishing touches. This white will really make things pop. Yep, thought so. Activating Winter Wonderland. It's done! Chilling, right? Hello? What the? There we go. I got this. So sharp. Now for something sweet. Creamy and chocolatey, of course. Is there anything better? Now it's time to spread the love. Ready, set, spread. So satisfying, isn't it? Oh, perfection.
perfection. Plus a little bit of cookie. Make it rain. But I ain't done yet. Just trust the vision, alright? Aren't you glad you stuck around? A little color humor. Okay, back to business. Stupendous! And to top it all off, a few other pops of color. Looking a little glabby. Now that's much better. Just one more special something. Gentlemen, start your lightsabers. Are things looking familiar yet?
Oh, please.
All done, girls. Hand them over.
Wow.
Things are about to get interesting. Very interesting. Is that Luke Skywalker? And what's this wintertime dream? It sure is pretty. Well done. Bellissimo.
Yay! Come on, move! Move! Get out of my way! Now we're talking.
Hey! Eyes up here, please.
Bleh, whatever.
Oh, yeah? How do you like that?
Oh no! Oh! I'm in the game! I'm gonna win! Watch out! I'm coming through! Whoa! Look! Let's see, what do I have here? I know what I need!
Now, what about you? I know. What? Oh, a cake? Where did these come from? I can work with this. Now we're getting somewhere. Whoa! I see perfect squares. So pleasing to the eye. Can you guess what I'm building here? I'll give you a hint. It'll be nifty yet delicious. Now for the secret ingredient. Jell-O, anyone? And frosting too, because why not? Aw, look how cute this is! Little flowers for everyone. Just a couple more to go. Looking good. Pretzels will take it to the next level. You're about to see why. Whoa, check it out!
Whoa! It's getting crazy in here! Come on, let's go! Whoa! Look! I did it! I can use this! Oh boy! Here we go! Wow, you made that?
That's right.
Okay, I guess.
Okay, what do we have here? This is really good. You like it?
Yes.
On to the next. I'm going in. So thick. No, the winner's clear.
You heard her.
Psst, psst. What?
Down here!
Wow, a puppy? So cute! Come here! Who's a good boy? Yes, you are! What's going on?
Can we keep him?
No! No dogs!
Please!
No! No! But his face! No!
This is so unfair!
Seriously!
Safe travels, friend!
Bye!
I miss him already!
Back to business!
Alrighty.
Wow! I know just what to make! Careful, this thing's sharp! Clean cuts, baby! I've got skill! And I'm just getting started! Time to rock and roll, people! Emphasis on the rolling. Now we can put it right on top. Easy, easy. There! See? The perfect fit! Here's where things get really interesting.
What's going on over here?
Color me inspired! Let the cutting begin!
Yep, that's about right. I'm off to a great start. The cardboard will keep things steady. Things are about to blow up over here. With sweet frosting, that is. And to keep things in place, a piece of this bad boy. No frosting's leaking out of here today. There! You wait here. Whipped frosting is coming in hot. What about the balloon, you ask? Just watch and find out. It'll all be clear soon. What? How'd you do that?
Oh my! A dog?
You guessed it!
Maybe they can be friends. I'll be deciding that. Let's slice into this kitty, shall we? Wow, nice and dense. Wow, so chocolatey. But this? How unusual. I love a surprise. What's this? Hang on to your hats, girls. Ooh!
Surprise!
Oh! My jacket!
Someone likes it.
Oh, he does, doesn't he? Good boy.
He's back!